Hello guys, I have prepared a video for you to delete your Reddit account on an Android. So since using the app of the Reddit can let us delete our account, I'll teach you the alternative way to delete your Reddit account. So the first thing you need to do is to go to any browser. So I'll just use the Chrome and then go to Reddit website reddit.com. So I'll just click here and then you just need to log in here, and for my case it was automatically logged in, so you just need to logged in, and then here the name of my Reddit account is sample for tutorial 1. So after clicking the three bar up here, you'll see a lot of option here, so just select settings, and then there's is option here that says account settings, so just click on that also, and here you'll be routed to this page. So just scroll down and you will see the delete account, so just press on the delete account, and then you need to it's an optional, by the way, if you'd like to provide the reason why are you leaving the Reddit. And to continue deletion of the account, you just need to log in or put your credential here. So I'll just use sample for tutorial. This is the account that I've created, by the way. One, and the password is sample 123. So I understand that deleted account are not recoverable. So just agree on that and then press the delete. So I'll press that, and okay, there's a reminder here. Be absolutely sure before deleting your account. So I'll just delete it here. And right now it is loading, and yeah, it was successfully deleted. So that's how easy to delete your account in Reddit using the browser. So for more videos like this, just follow and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.